shuttle bus. If you buy a ticket for the museum, there is a shuttle bus because they very big, the fabrica. That is the fabrica there. So it needs a shuttle bus to bring there. This is Maranello collection. Collections of we are here in Maranello, Modena, Italy, guys. Car collections. Car collections. Yeah. Let us see. Car collection, Collection. Car collections. Here, oh. You see? There are many collections here. Here, oh. Collection. The entrance is there now, but you don't have to enter. There are many collections. Collections. Car. Here. Two entrance pala. Entrance din dito. Yan, you see. Very nice. The other side, let us see. Here, books. This is a Monza. So, it's a nice world champion. You see, this one is winners Le Mans 2024. That one world champion November 28, 2025. Sino kaya nanalo dyan? That is a Fabrica. So let's go there. So I have to end my live here. My video. You see.